CA Films uses a patented polymer membrane technology which can extend the shelf life of produce, cut flowers, cut fruits, and cut vegetables and other perishable commodities beyond their expected shelf life. The polymer itself has a very high permeability towards oxygen and carbon dioxide. Here's how the technology works. All fruits and vegetables and cut flowers, even after being harvested, are still breathing and respiring. They absorb the oxygen levels that are available and convert it into carbon dioxide and also generate some ethylene inside the bag or the box or the container that contains these produce items. Over a period of time, the oxygen levels drop from the usual 20.9% to 0% or 1%, and the CO2 levels increase to 21%, and the ethylene levels are also increased in the package. The ethylene is a ripening agent, and the presence of ethylene intends to ripen the product faster. So how does the technology work? The technology uses the partial pressure of the produce based upon the natural respiration of the product, and with its permeability characteristics is able to control the amount of oxygen and CO2 that is created inside the box, the bag, the container that contains the polymer membrane. And over a period of time, it is able to establish oxygen levels in the range of 5% and carbon dioxide in the range of 5%. And what it does is that it tends to put the produce in a state of coma. And from a technical perspective, by reducing the oxygen levels, the metabolic activity of the produce is reduced, and therefore the ethylene generation rates are reduced. From a carbon dioxide perspective, increasing the carbon dioxide, which is an antifungal agent, the presence of any bacteria and fungal growth is reduced. And therefore, with a combination of these factors, the technology is able to extend the shelf life of a variety of commodities, even at extended and elevated temperature protocols.